Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Celsius Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was having some intermediate issues when brewing and also just a tiny bit, as you can see right here. This is the ceramic valve that was not functioning in the machine. This takes care of pushing water from here all the way into the brew valve right here, and then it pushes that water into the brew unit, which is the one that makes coffee, and then extracts the whole thing. So this thing has a little motor, and if it doesn't work, or this clog out, or if it's leaking, then you're just basically not going to be able to have a good flow coming out to the spouts over here. This takes care of doing that, and as you can see, this is in terrible condition. Definitely need to replace. So B also was cracked around here in the fitting, as you can see, so definitely need to be replaced. We replaced that, and only that, we put the machine back together. We cleaned a little bit the valve as well. It was full of coffee. There's a lot of coffee grounds all around the machine, but this is all what we did on this. Just replace this. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test the entire machine. That way we test the side as well. I'm gonna be testing the spouts, and we'll be gonna testing then later with hot water, and then testing of this machine. We are not using milk. We are using milk cleaner, which is going to behave similar to how the milk will siphon coming out from the carafe itself. There you go. As you can see, it's a very nice gentle stream coming out through there. Excellent foam at the bottom. There you go. You can see it much better like this. Excellent. I'm gonna remove our beautiful cup and put a regular size cup to get our shot. Can be increased or decreased depending on how much crema, how much flow you want inside the cup as well. As you can see, goes pretty good. I'm gonna stop it right here. Oh, perfect. Stop manually. 3 ounces of liquid. Great. Nice crema as well. You can see on the top of the machine. You can see the lines falling all the way to the bottom of the cup. Beautiful. Hot water for this machine, as you can see, is a nice gentle stream coming out through the one. And now we're going to be testing the steam. While we were testing this machine, we also did it with the case open, so that means we were able to see all the system inside the machine. We were using the machine to do coffee as well as to do steam, hot water, and to use the carafe. We did not see any additional leaks coming out through there, and everything was fine. Perfect. Thermoblock is reaching the desired temperature and it's now producing steam, as you can see right here. Nice steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure. Working perfectly. So there you have it, Saeco Celsius working once again, ready to brew, and with a new ceramic bar. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.